Do you want to have mods on your Pico Standalone? I will be installing some mods for the Blade and Sorcery. First, install the latest game version. I'm using version 12.2. Then run the game at least once. As you can see, it's a fresh install, no mods, no nothing. So I can exit the game now. And open Pico web browser. Search for Blade mod.io. And the first result is Blade and Sorcery on mod.io. Select Android and game version 12. And here we have all mods compatible with the Pico 4 standalone version. Let's download some, like these words from Zelda. Scroll down and click Download on Android file. Let's get some lightsabers too. Again, scroll down, Android, and download. I can close the browser now and open File Manager. Click Downloads, extract both zip files. Let's double check all files are in the mod folder I just extracted. So I will select both mod folders and I will click Move. I will go to the main storage, Android data, and I will look for the Warp Blade and Sorcery folder. Here it is. Click Files and Mods and paste mod folders. Again, Android data, Warp Blade and Sorcery, files, mods. I can run the game now. You can see mods are loading. No mods are shown on the tablet because mod server is still broken on the Pico standalone version, but the modded items should appear in the game. Oh, and here it is, a separate category, and I can span my new lightsaber. And from the potato graphics, you can definitely see that this is running on the Pico standalone. So I may have installed a few extra mods. Let's get my katana. Oh, and welcome to McDonald's. But let's do some sports before hamburgers. And it's gone. Yeah, this is a pretty dangerous neighborhood. It's good that I came prepared. Get back in the kitchen. The kitchen. And you, back in the kitchen. Must be some feminist mod I do not remember installing. Or is it just all new games like this now? Finally, the last one. I will need something stronger. And I need to hide all these bodies before cops arrive. Yeah, a little bit more. God damn it, they broke my Chinese sword. But maybe I can still fix it? God damn. Alright, maybe I'm getting better with swords.